Here's a simple tutorial on how to sign in with multiple Temu accounts on one device. It's important to follow each step carefully to ensure smooth operation. When managing multiple accounts, it's crucial to prioritize security by using strong, unique passwords for each account. Avoid using the same password across multiple accounts to minimize the risk of security breaches. Consider using a password manager to securely store and manage your passwords. Another key aspect to remember is to log out of accounts when they're not in use. This helps prevent unauthorized access and maintains your privacy, especially when using shared devices. To begin, open the Temu app and locate the U button at the center of the screen on the bottom bar. Click on it to access the settings menu, then select the Sign in or Register option. Here, you can create your first Temu account. To add additional accounts, click on the Switch Account option and then select Add Account. Enter the credentials for your second email to create a new account. Once created, you can easily switch between accounts as needed. Repeat these steps to add more accounts using different email addresses, allowing you to seamlessly manage multiple Temu accounts on a single device. Remember to always prioritize security and privacy when managing multiple accounts.